Reading practice number 3. Dear Mrs. Fox, as you may know, we maintain complete, up to the minute records of all service work we do for our customers, period. We find that the last time we inspected your car was Thursday, June 21, or more than 6 months ago, period. At that time, your car was in excellent condition, and we had to make no repairs, period. It may be that it is still in excellent condition, of course, but we urge you to be sure, period. Let us inspect it again, period. Do not make the mistake of waiting to bring it to us when something actually goes wrong, period. That is the expensive time, Mrs. Fox, paragraph. Why not call us as soon as possible and make an appointment to have your car examined, period. If anything is wrong, we will be able to repair it quickly, period. You will be taking a step that will assure you of comfortable, trouble-free driving, period. Cordially yours, Reading practice number 4. Dear Mr. Sweeney, thank you for your note telling us that you have not been able to get Golden's lemon ice cream at your neighborhood supermarket, period. This is one of the 3 or 4 flavors that we rotate periodically because we want to give all our customers an opportunity to enjoy their favorite flavor, paragraph. However, we are happy to tell you that 10 days ago, this flavor was again placed on the market, paragraph. In appreciation of your thoughtfulness in letting us know how you feel about our products, we are enclosing a coupon that entitles you to a free half-gallon of golden ice cream, period. We hope that you and your family enjoy it, comma, Mr. Swaney, period. Sincerely yours, comma. Reading practice number 5. Dear Dr. Yell, colon, ever since we opened our store 10 years ago, comma, it has been our aim to make the national supermarket one of the nicest places in town to shop, period. One of the ways we try to accomplish this objective is to hire dedicated, comma, competent people, paragraph. Our store managers are the best in the business, period. Our checkout personnel are the most efficient, comma, the fastest, comma, and the friendliest in the business, paragraph. In spite of our efforts, comma, however, comma, we realize that we are not perfect, period. We want to do whatever we can to improve in the future, period. If you have any suggestions that will help to make the national supermarket an even better place in which to shop, comma, please send them to me as soon as possible, period. When we receive your suggestions, comma, I assure you we will act on them promptly, period. Sincerely yours, comma.